Face-off between singer Diljit Dosanjh and the Telangana government. Well, Diljit Dosanjh, after he received that warning for liquor-free songs, said that, well, I will stop singing songs on alcohol the day all states across India are turned into dry states. Remember, Diljit Dosanjh said, I have many devotional songs and only very few songs on alcohol, but all everybody can talk about are those songs, essentially indicating that artists have become soft targets. The Telangana government has said that, well, we will stop anything and everything that promotes alcohol or drug culture.
एक खुशखबरी है, आज मुझे कोई नोटिस नहीं आया। इससे बड़ी खुशखबरी एक और है, बात यहाँ पे रुकती नहीं है। इससे बड़ी खुशखबरी और है, आज भी मैं कोई गाना शराब पे नहीं गाऊंगा। पिछले 10 दिन में मैंने 2 गाने डिवोशनल निकाले हैं, एक शिव बाबा पे और एक गुरु नानक बाबा जी पे, लेकिन उसकी बात कोई नहीं कर रहा। हर बंदा टीवी पे बैठ के पटियाला पैक की बात कर रहा है। भाई, मैं अलग से किसी को फोन करके नहीं बोल रहा कि आपने पटियाला पैक लगाया कि नहीं लगाया, राइट? अभी गाना गा रहा हूं, मेरा एक गाना है, 2 गाने हो गए ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2-4 गाने, मैं वो भी नहीं गाऊंगा। आज भी मैं वो गाने नहीं गाऊंगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। It's very easy for me to tweak the songs, bro, क्योंकि मैं खुद शराब नहीं पीता। It's very easy for me. एक मोमेंट शुरू करते हैं। ये अच्छी बात हुई, इन्होंने ये बात उठाई है। जिस अगर ये हमारे पूरी स्टेट जो है, जितनी भी स्टेट्स हैं हमारे यहाँ, अगर वो सारी अपने आप को ड्राई स्टेट घोषित कर देती हैं, अगले ही दिन दिलजीत दोसांझ अपनी लाइफ में कभी शराब पे गाना नहीं गाएगा। मैं प्रण करता हूं, हो सकता है ये।
See, there is nothing wrong. It is in the interest of the state and society. We have issued that a letter to them for the organizers. It is a mandatory also. See, as per that, what is it is mentioning, you are requested for not using children on stage during live show in Cyberabad or in Rajkonda area on 15/11/2024, and not to allow singer Diljit Dosanjh ji to sing alcohol, drugs, violence promoting songs during live show on stage. It is in the interest of the society. The government of Telangana is taking all precautionary measures not to encourage any drug culture or alcohol or violence kind of thing.
This video of Diljit Dosanjh from yesterday, his performance at Ahmedabad, has been going viral. He did bring up the issue and spoke about Telangana sending him a notice about legal notice about promoting alcohol and drugs in his songs, and they had asked him not to use those words. So we have seen him and his team tweaked the words in his songs while performing in Hyderabad, and even in Ahmedabad he said that he continues to not sing those songs because it's a dry state. But he also spoke about how Bollywood has been promoting alcohol, but nobody says anything to them. But he is a singer who has been just doing his job, but he has been pulled up for it. He gave 2 options to the government, saying that I'm agreeing to do what you are saying, that I will not sing alcohol or drugs related songs if your state is a dry state, or even if you can declare a dry day for the day I'm performing in your state. We have also seen fans reacting to this. About Bollywood, Bollywood has not come up and spoken about it because everybody till now we have seen how Bollywood have been really supportive of Diljit Dosanjh and his music, his films. We usually see them in every concert, doesn't matter which part of the world he's performing. We have seen people going out there and support him. We have not heard anything from the Hindi film industry coming out and speaking about him talking about Bollywood and promoting alcohol for now.